guys, so I've been waiting for this for a few days now, and it's finally arrived. Big special thanks to my mom and to my Aunt Wendy. And let's open it up. Let's see what I got as a birthday gift. So as you can see, this is the HP Sprocket 100. Which instantly prints pictures that are 2 by 3 inches directly from your smartphone. So let's check it out and see how it works. Okay, so I've downloaded the app here on my phone, and so I'm just going to be setting up the printer from here. Okay, so the setup is pretty easy. So now I've got all of my pictures here on my phone to select which ones I want to print. I've got to set up this now and turn this on so that the Sprocket can sync to my phone and it can print the pictures. And as you can see, the size is really small. It's super thin, so let's see how it goes. Picture that I want to print out. So this is a picture of some crispy peanut tofu that I made the other day, and so you see there's a little icon here at the top which allows you to edit the picture. So I'm just going to add the title of this picture. So this is the picture. Up here is the name of the Sprocket printer that's been connected. It's going to ask you how many copies do you want, and I guess now we just click the print option. And so now we've got our list of the pictures. So I guess you could technically ask for a whole bunch of pictures throughout the day, and then when you get home, print them out. So we'll click play.